Alrighty.
It's the morning after the blizzard. Bear's gonna go outside for the first time and discover he's got a problem.
What if he gets stuck? Oh, he might get stuck, Dave.
Bear, come back. We perhaps made a miscalculation. Oh, he's going under the deck.
He knows.
Oh, Bear, that was disappointing. I hope you freak out a little more. Bye.
Holy moly.
Well, that's a blizzard. Wow, I even got the, oh my god, the scooter's covered too.
The scooter's covered?
Well, not bad.
Bear, I'm trying to...
We're getting there.
I'm trying to help you out, brother. Oh my god. This is easily 3 feet of snow back here.
It's also the wet, heavy kind. I'm like there's a nail, that's what you're hitting.
Oh. Holy moly.
There's our trash can down there, that gives you an idea.
This is amazing. I don't think I've seen this much snow since...
This is kind of like the one about 10 years ago where it was deeper than this actually, but
Poor dog, look at him. He's trapped. Bear, I'm trying to help you out. Hold on.
he's like, you're taking forever. Gotta go to the bathroom.
I forgot my gloves. You want to come back up? Go ahead.
Come here.
Poor guy.
What's going on, buddy? Tail's down, ears are down. What the hell happened to my world? Whoa.
And he can't smell anything.
Whoa. Snowdrift.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Seriously, why don't take a step back if all that comes off the roof all of a sudden?
Oh, you're right. I probably shouldn't have hit the...
Glad I was videotaping it though if that had happened. All of a sudden Heidi disappears under 6 feet of snow. Watch, he's right. Bear.
I know you're
Come here. Get out of here. Come here. Come on, Bear. Get up here. Oh. Bear, what did you just do to your foot?
What?
I don't know. He's holding.
He's cold, that's all. Go.
No, he just did something to his foot. Either you stepped on his foot or he did something weird.
Why?
He was holding his foot up.
No, I think he did. This is absolutely ridiculous.
Alright. Bear, why don't you come back inside until we get this done? Alright? Alright.